Okay.
Okay, foodies, so here we go. Let's get our air-fried meatballs out of here that I made in an earlier videotape. And what we're gonna do is marry the meatballs right here. They are, right here. See how nice and crusted they are from the air fryer? We're gonna marry them right to the sauce here, right to our sauce. And I'm gonna just pop them. Oops, I almost burnt myself. Okay, and I'm gonna pop in what we're gonna have for dinner today. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm gonna hold these 3 back because it's just says, and in it goes, and then I'm gonna give it a quick mix, see? So these can get in our sauce mixture. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then what I'm going to do is move it over here and back onto the heat, and we're gonna let these simmer for about a good half hour or so. You know, we're not making gravy, so to speak. I don't have 5 different cuts of meat in here. I made the meatballs separate. I've got them in the sauce. A half hour. They're actually almost cooked now, these meatballs. And if I show you, I'll show you how they are, because this is turkey meat, not beef meat. And if you go like this, they spring right back. They're cooked up just nice. So there we have it. So give it a try. Make your own sauce. See how easy it is to do. Put your meatballs in, and we'll show you later how this all goes with beautiful spaghetti and meatballs, which is in the top 20 best foods in the United States of America that people love to eat. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizos, as always, wishing you the best. Out.